Kandapura branch. My name is Alamadu Jayashree. I am studying in first standard GK concept.
States and capital.
States and capitals: Andhra Pradesh Amravati, Arunachal Pradesh Itanagar, Assam Dispur, Bihar Patna, Chhattisgarh Raipur, Goa Panaji, Gujarat Gandhinagar, Haryana Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh Shimla, Jharkhand Ranchi, Karnataka Bengaluru, Kerala Tirunanthapuram, Madhya Pradesh Bhopal, Maharashtra Mumbai, Manipur Impal, Meghalaya Shillong, Odisha Bhubaneswar, Punjab Chandigarh, Nagaland Kohima.
Union territories with their capitals.
Union territories with their capitals: Andaman Nicobar Island, Poblet, Chandigarh, Dadra, Nagar Haveli, Silvassa, Puducherry, Delhi, Nadakli, Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar.
30 districts of Karnataka.
30 districts of Karnataka: Bagalkot, Bellary, Bidar, Bengaluru Rural, Bengaluru Urban, Belagavi, Chamarajnagara, Chikkaballapura, Dakshina Kannada, Davangere, Dharwad, Gadag, Hasan, Haveri, Kalburgi, Kodagu, Kolar, Koppala, Mandya, Mysore, Ramnagara, Raichur, Shivamogga, Tumkur, Udupi, Uttara Kannada, Vijaypura, Yadgiri.
Which is your country?
India.
Which is your state?
Karnataka.
Prime Minister of India?
Prime Minister of India: Jawaharlal Nehru, Gulzarilal Nanda, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Morarji Desai, Charan Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, Vishwanath Pratap Singh, Chandrasekhar, V.V. Narasimha Rao, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, H.D. Deve Gowda, Inder Kumar Gujarat, Manmohan Singh, Narendra Modi.
Chief Minister of Karnataka?
Chief Minister of Karnataka: K. Changalaya Reddy, Kengal Hanmantayya, Kadiyal Manjappa, S. Ninjalingappa, B.D. Jetti, S.R. Kanti, Virendra Patil, V. Devarajarasu, R. Gundurao, Ramakrishna Hegade, S.R. Bommai, S. Bangarappa, M. Virappa Moili.
7 continents.
7 continents: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Atlantica, Australia.
5 oceans of world.
5 oceans of world: Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean.
Winners from Karnataka.
Jnanapita Award winners from Karnataka: Kuvempu, Dara Bendre, Shivaram Karam, Masti Venkatesh Iyengar, V.K. Gokal, U.R. Anantamurthy, Girish Karnad, Chandrasekhar Kambara.
Neighboring states of Karnataka.
Neighboring states of Karnataka: Goa, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Kerala.
Neighboring countries of India.
Neighboring countries of India: Pakistan, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Fundamental rights.
Fundamental rights: right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to religion, cultural and educational rights, rights to constitutional remedies.
6 ಋತುಗಳು.
6 ಋತುಗಳು: ವಸಂತ ಋತು, ಗ್ರೀಷ್ಮ ಋತು, ವರ್ಷ ಋತು, ಶರದ್ ಋತು,
12 ಮಾಸಗಳು.
12 ಮಾಸಗಳು ಚೈತ್ರ, ವೈಶಾಖ, ಜ್ಯೇಷ್ಠ, ಆಷಾಢ, ಶ್ರಾವಣ, ಭಾದ್ರಪದ, ಅಶ್ವೀಜ, ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ, ಮಾರ್ಗಶಿರ, ಪುಷ್ಯ, ಮಾಘ, ಫಾಲ್ಗುಣ.
Antonyms: in,
Out,
up,
down,
from,
to,
on,
off,
top,
bottom,
over,
under,
above,
below,
after,
before,
inside,
outside,
near,
far,
next,
previous,
behind,
front of,
against,
along,
big,
small,
yes,
no,
wet,
dry,
hot,
cold,
new,
old,
day,
night,
low,
high,
bad,
good,
sad,
happy,
by,
self,
genders: male,
female,
boy,
girl,
brother,
sister,
father,
mother,
grandfather,
grandmother,
son,
daughter,
daddy,
mummy,
papa,
mama,
uncle,
aunt,
gentleman,
lady,
husband,
wife,
man,
woman,
nephew,
nice,
sir,
madam,
bull,
cow,
cock,
hen,
dog,
beach,
lion,
lioness,
tiger,
tigeress,
peacock,
peahen,
king,
queen,
actor,
actress,
prince,
princess,
milkman.
milkmaid,
Countries and capital:
France, Paris, Germany, Berlin, Greece, Athens, Hungary, Budapest, India, New Delhi, Indonesia, Jakarta, Iran, Tehran, Iran, Baghdad, Italy, Rome, Jamaica, Kingston, Japan, Tokyo, Kenya, Nairobi, North Korea, Beijing, South Korea, Seoul, Libya, Tripoli, Afghanistan, Kabul, Argentina, Buenos Aires, Australia, Canberra, Australia, Vienna, Bangladesh, Dhaka, Belgium, Brussels, Bhutan, Thimphu, Brazil, Brasilia, Bulgaria, Sofia, Canada, Ottawa, Chile, Santiago, China, Beijing, Colombia, Bogota, Denmark, Campigat, Egypt, Cairo, Finland, Helsinki.
Major rivers of India:
Major rivers of India: Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Periyar, Tamilabharani, Vaigai, Yamuna.
Preamble:
Preamble: We the people of India have it solemnly resolved to constitutional India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and secure your just citizens, justice, social, economic, and political liberty of that acts.
Solar system:
Solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto.
National symbols: Father of nation,
Mahatma Gandhi.
national anthem,
Janagana Mana.
national song,
Vande Mataram.
national emblem,
Lion capital.
national flag,
Three-color flag.
national flower,
Lotus.
national animal,
Tiger.
national sea animal,
Dolphin.
national bird,
Peacock.
national fruit,
Mango.
national vegetable,
Pumpkin.
national language,
Hindi.
national book,
Bhagavad Gita.
national game,
Hockey.
national tree,
Banyan tree.
national river,
Ganga.
national flag color,
Saffron, white, green.
7 colors in rainbow.
Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Major cities in India:
Major cities in India: New Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Pune, Surat, Jaipur.
Borders of India:
Borders of India: North Himalaya, South Indian Ocean, East Bay of Bengal, West Arabian Sea.
Kings of Karnataka:
Kings of Karnataka: Pulkeshi, Krishnadevaraya, Vishnuvardhana, Mayuravarma, Amoghavarsha, Madakali Nayaka, Kitturani Channamma, Akka Bukka, Jayachamaraja Odeyer, Kempegowda.
Epics of India:
Epics of India: Ramayana and Mahabharata.
Indian festivals:
Indian festivals: Ganesha Chaturthi, Navaratri, Dasara, Deepavali, Mahashivaratri, Christmas, Eid, Holi.
Religions of India.
Religions of India: Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, Parsi.
Indian dynasties.
Indian dynasties: Chalukya, Chola, Hoysala, Maurya, Pallava, Gupta, Rashtrakuta, Mughal, Vijayanagara, Vardhana.
5 sense organ.
5 sense organs: eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin.
Functions of sense organ.
Functions of sense organs: eyes help us to see, nose help us to breathe and smell, ear help us to hear, tongue help us to taste, skin help us to feel.
5 vowels.
5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U.
Keeps our body clean.
Keeps our body clean. I brush my teeth, I bath every day, I cut my nails, I comb my hair, I wash my hands before and after meal.
Parts of the body.
Parts of the body: head, hair, eyes, nose, ears, mouth, teeth, tongue, hands, fingers, elbow, chest.
Good habits to be healthy.
Go to bed early, get up early in the morning, eat good food, drink milk daily, do exercise daily.
Proverbs.
Proverbs: work is worship, honest is the best policy. Where there is a will, there is a way. All that glitters is not good. Face is the index of mind. A rolling stone gathers no much. An idle mind is a devil workshop. There is no shortcut to hard work. Do or die. Old is good. Actions speak louder than words. A journey of 1,000 miles with a single step. An empty vessel makes much noise. A picture is the worth of 1,000 words. A stitching time saves mind. As you show, you shall reap. Cleanness is the next to Godline. Don't judge a book by its cover. Easy come, easy go. Every dog has his day. Laughter is the best medicine.
7 days in a week.
7 days in a week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
12 months in a year.
12 months in a year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
4 ದಿಕ್ಕುಗಳು.
4 ದಿಕ್ಕುಗಳು: ಪೂರ್ವ, ಪಶ್ಚಿಮ, ಉತ್ತರ, ದಕ್ಷಿಣ.
5 different shapes of moon.